Good evening. Let us take a look at how to edit your sales. After a sales entry, you can go to Station Manager, come to Sales Entry, and then View Lists. You will select the period in which you think the sales has been made. I'm using Islegon as a test case, so from 1st to 14th, and then you click on Load. Now this gives you a list of all sales made from the 1st to the 14th. I'll quickly take you through how to manipulate the headings, how you can turn the headings around to get what you are looking for. You can hold the customer heading and drag into the space above here, and the system gives you something like this. So you can see the sales has been arranged by customers. When you click on this customer, you see the sales details at the bottom. When you click, then you see the very details that you need. I'm going to drop this one back. Then let's go on to the edit. To do an edit, you click on the pencil sign by each of the sales. So I would click on this one, and then it opens up the customer's entries for me. You can change the date. You can change any of the details here. You can even delete it if you want, or you can even change the sales quantity. So it does that for you, and then you update. Now the challenge we have here is that you would need to enter and edit all your details whilst the price remains the price that you used to do the entry. If you go adding a sales where the price has changed, then you would be getting the current prices. So I think going forward, we should all endeavor to make the entries during the period where the price still remains that price. I think you would understand. So typical example, the price is now 12.89, but when I select, it brings me the 12.89. Meanwhile, as at that time, it was 13. So let's try as much as possible to finish everything before the pricing window changes. So that is how to do an edit. Once done, click on update, and then you can go back and then view your new changes. Now you don't want these sales any longer. You just click on the X over here and then say yes. You are going to delete it. Then that's all. The delete takes effect. So I would say no in this case. So that is how to make a delete. Finally, let's do filtering. When you hover your cursor on the headings, you would see there are some funnels, funde, what we call funde. Just click on it and you can select a certain stuff, Pentacles. Just check it and it brings you only sales for Pentacles. You can see the total over here. If you don't want Pentacles only, click back on the funde, select all, and close. Thank you very much. I will come to you with another video shortly.